On the right hand side of the camper is where I keep all the things that you might need as soon as you get to your destination. So this is your block that I use for raising the camper in front. I'm going to put that down and then I'll show you where I have all the other boxes. So there's 3 boxes. I've kept one outside right now, and that's where all the electrical wires are. And this other box that I'm taking out is where I keep all the water related equipment that needs to be clean, and that's why it has a white cover instead of the gray cover. So I keep all the freshwater stuff separated from the sewer related water stuff. That's the last box I'm taking out just to show you. And this box has all the clean out equipment that I use for cleaning the water supply and so on. You may not need this for your camping trip, but it has those 3 boxes that you will see. This is the electric box. I've taken all the other additional things out, and because it's connected to my house right now, but those are the 3 things that you might need during your camping trips. Thanks for checking out Wanderfleet. We rent campers, RVs, cars, and motorcycles for trips with friends and family. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And if you know someone who might find this video useful, please share it with them. Thanks for watching.